Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are exploring Camp North End here in Charlotte, North Carolina. As you can tell, I'm standing under the iconic silos that are right here in front of Camp North End, and we're gonna explore with my little girls today. This is a really great place that a friend told me about, and we've been bringing our girls here ever since, and they absolutely love it. So stay tuned. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of Camp North End and show you all the fun activities you can do with your family. Okay, to start off with, I'll give you guys a little bit of history of what is now Camp North End. So Camp North End was originally opened in 1924, and it was a Ford motor plant that produced over 300,000 vehicles prior to the Great Depression. It was later used as a World War II supplier and then a missile development facility during the Cold War in 1956. Now, if you need just one reason to visit Camp North End, it should be this beautiful view of the Charlotte skyline. I absolutely love this view, and it's pretty awesome that you can get it here, specifically because this place is not that close to downtown. It's further north, so you're not as close to the hustle and bustle of the city, and it's a really fun, family-friendly, and I believe dog-friendly place to visit on the weekends, especially if you're just trying to get out and about and not be stuck indoors. This place is completely open air with the exception of shopping. They do have great amenities. They have a nice clean bathroom. They have plenty of seating. They have these interesting rail carts that they've converted for seating. They also have plenty of trash cans, and the place is usually very well maintained. It's definitely a very clean place to visit. We usually love to sit on these swing chairs with the kids. Arabella decided she wanted to push us this specific time, but we normally enjoy coming to this place because it's so family friendly for littles. There's so many swings and it's so colorful and bright. The kids enjoy running around and playing, and normally you will see lots of families with little ones that'll be running around and playing. This is such a great place for the whole family, especially if you have toddlers. Now, if you get hungry while you're enjoying yourself at Camp North End has a great offering of restaurants. They actually have an exclusively outdoor food court, which is pretty awesome. And they have a variety of different foods from different countries. I know they have ramen, they have pupusas, which is one of mine and my husband's favorites. And then they have a American cuisine location, and they have the best fries. I think it's called the Blue Barn. And it's towards the end, but they have some really great French fries that our girls love. So if you have picky eaters, they will definitely enjoy the French fries from that location. Now for the fun stuff. What is there to do for kids? Well, there is a ton. This section that I'm showing you right now used to be where they had sandboxes. I'm not too sure if they're bringing them back this year, but I was not disappointed because they actually added a little playground area, and it's industrial themed. Here it is. And it's so cute, and the kids can just play on these. Our daughters enjoyed playing on the stairs and turning the little nozzles on these little industrial pipes. And also they can just roam freely. It's such a kid and family friendly location that you will regularly see kids running around having a good time. So it's definitely catered to younger families, or even grandma and grandpa when you have kids on the weekend, your grandkids on the weekend. This is a pretty cool place to take them. They will definitely enjoy themselves. And we did stay here for a few hours, so definitely plan on staying because they have plenty of comfortable seating, and then they have plenty of amenities, so you don't have to go far to get anything that you may need. And your kids, your grandkids, your family member kids, they'll all have a really good time. And I know that they also have events from time to time, so if you want to come on like a Friday or Saturday night with your friends, you will definitely see the different events that are going on at that time. Camp North End also offers plenty of activities for adults. They have plenty of shopping. One of my favorite stores to visit is this grow store. They sell plants and other handmade knickknacks, which I absolutely could stay here for days and just shop. And they also added this cute little kids corner with kid catered little knickknacks that you can take a look at. This is also a perfect place if you're looking for a unique gift. And for my parents, there's also a really cool little coffee shop. It's called Hex Coffee Shop. The employees there are so nice and welcoming, so definitely check it out. I had the vanilla latte and it was delicious. And if you want a pastry to go with that coffee, there is Wentworth and Fenn, excuse me. And then they also have adult activities like foosball and cornhole, which my daughter also enjoyed playing. And they have plenty of comfortable seating. The Adrianoc chairs are so comfortable, and then they just have so much seating that you won't really find yourself in a situation where you won't have a place to sit down and relax, especially if you've been walking around and checking out the stores and doing all of the shopping. Now, if you're looking for more exercise-based activity, they do offer bike rentals and they have motorized scooters available on the day that we went. They also sell alcohol. They have wine and beer and sangria, and then they also have a little trailer that I know sells some good mixed cocktails. And I love how they repurpose these containers to use as decor. It just adds to the industrial feel. So if you live in Charlotte and have littles, or if you're planning on visiting Charlotte and just want to know some good spots to hit up with your kids, definitely check out Camp North End. It's such a fun place. It's great for the whole family. There's lots for kids and adults to do. The amenities are great. The location is perfect. It's not in the big hustle and bustle. And if you want to see more videos like this, I think I'm going to be starting a series on just toddler activities around Charlotte. So comment below if you want to see more videos similar to this one. Definitely subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you guys in my next one.